everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are doing well. I would just like to take a second to thank today's video sponsor, which is TRESemmé. So today to style my hair, we will be using the TRESemmé Tres 2 Extra Hold Hairspray. More about that a little later. As always, I wanna look my best for tonight. So I'm gonna start off my little routine with a nice shower, some clean hair. I'm gonna be using the TRESemmé Moisture Rich Shampoo and Conditioner. 7 times more luxurious moisture. This has vitamin E in it, so I'm super excited to tell you guys more about this, but again, a little bit on that later. Let me hop in the shower, we'll quit blabbing, let's just get right into it. Okay, freshly washed. After my hair is freshly washed, I like to just brush it back and then find my part. A hair tool that you'll see me use a lot in this tutorial is one of these like pin combs. So just center it on my nose, and that is how I get like the perfect middle part. So with all that's been happening this year, we can't go out, we can't really do much. So I was sort of inspired by TRESemmé to get some of my girlfriends together. Now, the girlfriends that are going to be at my birthday party tonight are the ones that are already in my bubble, so it is safe. There's only going to be 5 of us. We kind of wanted a way to still celebrate my birthday while being at home. So we thought, like, what better way to just have a like cowgirl themed birthday party. So that's what we're gonna be doing tonight, and in honor of that, I wanted to do this tutorial. I know Halloween is coming up if you guys are looking maybe for like a costume idea. I know, like with myself especially, I always know that when I do my hair, I feel so much better and so good about myself. Now these days I do like to let my hair air dry as much as possible before I actually throw the blow dryer on it. I just feel that that helps because my hair is quite dry and brittle with like lightening it to be blonde. This moisture rich shampoo and conditioner will actually help with that. Some shampoos, when I use it, I'm like, oh, I can't wait to get that conditioner in because it's so dry after just shampooing. This doesn't do that at all. This is a moisturizing shampoo, which is exactly what I need, because literally I feel like every other shampoo is taking that out of my hair, whereas this is putting it in. It's like a tall glass of water, of hydration for my hair. And then when I throw on the conditioner, same thing. I just apply this like mid-shaft to my ends. Same thing, feels great, super moisturized. So I think we've let this probably air dry long enough. Next step to this is to straighten my hair. I know my hair is already quite straight, but it is pretty like poofy, especially under here. It gets quite curly. Look at this piece. Okay, so I've just got my makeup quite simple. We plan to be, you know, putting on some country jams, singing our hearts out. I want to do a hairstyle that I can wear with and without a hat, and it will still look cute. But like I said, we will be using the TRESemmé Tres 2 Extra Hold Hairspray. I always bring this with me when I'm traveling, especially because, you know, going to events or things like that, it's perfect because what I find is if I spray my curls with it and I let it sit and then I don't brush it out until like the last second before I'm about to leave, the curls are gonna last all night. They have like a travel size, which is so great. I can get it pretty much anywhere. So this will probably help with all the dancing I'm going to be doing tonight. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is basically create 2 pigtails. I have these little pink elastics. So the way that we're gonna do this, very simple, is you're just gonna gather the other side of your hair, and then you can take your hair elastic. We're not doing it too tight, we're doing it like just below the ear. Again, the prime reason for this hairstyle is we want it to look good with and without a hat. Now the next step is to take another elastic, just slightly lower than the top elastic. You're gonna wanna pull out on each side and then do the same thing at the back and the front. And then go in between all of your sections and pull out more hair. You have to do this first before putting in your next elastic. Now, once you've done that, you're gonna go ahead and put another elastic below this one, and then we're gonna do the same thing. This should not affect the top elastic because we've already put this in. We're gonna go ahead and put in another elastic. Pull out again. Gets a little harder too as you get to like the thinner spots of your hair. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same look on the other side. We're gonna curl these two pieces of hair and I'm going to curl away from my face. So taking barrel like this, curling away from my face. And the key here is you want to catch the hair as it falls. Bring it up and then you're gonna take your hairspray and you're gonna spray it while it's sort of curled up in a barrel. And I'm gonna leave it like that for a hot minute. So we're gonna take the same thing with this piece, catch it, spray the hairspray, and then you can drop it. I'm gonna leave them like this until they're absolutely cool, and then I'm gonna give them a quick little brush. I also have a little bit of these baby hairs, and we're gonna take our little comb and we're gonna spray it, just the edge, and that's how we're gonna get these little baby hairs to stay with the other hair. This is a great thing to just do every day so you're not worrying about the baby hairs. I'm also going to give each one of these a spray of hairspray. And then these are pretty cool. You just want them cool to the touch. Do a quick little brush out just so they're a little bit softer. And then you'll notice throughout the night that they don't actually disappear. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw on this little bandana. This is really cute. Like, I don't need a hat, but I think the hat is nice like for like taking photo booth photos and things like that, just to look a little bit more dolled up. So I do have like this white little hat here. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed sort of getting ready with me, and I hope that I gave you a little bit of inspiration. I know we're in a crazy time period, but it doesn't mean that we can't get dressed up and dolled up and feel good about ourselves. Make sure to check out TRESemmé. I have put all the links below. This is actually Canada's #1 hairspray, and for good reason. It gives you 24-hour humidity resistance against flyaways in rain or shine. It's literally like if you wanted to do that sleek back ponytail look, you grab yourself a comb, you spray, literally no flyaways. I used to do that too when I was like trying to do space buns. If you guys would like to see more photos from my birthday party, I will be posting them on my Instagram, which I have linked down below. So for a full outfit, check it out there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.